It's important to become comfortable with uncertainty because the world is uncertain. The world is changing. You will keep making decisions like the decisions yesterday, like the decisions 100 years ago, and those are not the right decisions for tomorrow.
We work on a real problem, so we can be in the workshop, test ideas, go back and forward, and develop great learning experience.
We very much believe that real innovation happens at collision of ideas. And when people start to share those kind of ideas, better ideas will come up. So it's a great way for people who are facing the same problems, how do I innovate my business model, for example, to work together, to share their stories and share how they want to push the world forward.
You can talk about ideas and think about it for a long time, but if you don't have the guts to validate it, it doesn't make any sense.
It's a little bit uncomfortable, but to me, like in feeling uncomfortable is the moment that I realize I'm learning something.
I think it was probably about 30 seconds, it felt like 10 minutes.
So there's a famous quote of Benjamin Franklin, and he says, tell me and I forget, show me and I may remember, and involve me and I learn. Within LearnZoku we got a living lab where people actually can practice what they just learned. We feel that they learn much better and much faster.
I would love to see it sort of create a movement. I'd love to see a movement behind it and be part of this movement. And we're starting to see the signs of that movement really starting.